we start the set, we should do it now.
Okay.
And try to get as much as we can from it.
Okay.
Should we go?
Yeah. Coming in.
There we go.
C'est drôle de faire une interview ici. Quelle idée?
I was born in New York, and then I went to Chile for 6 years, and then we got back here with my mother when I was 9. I was with my mother and her friend, and he was playing this fun kind of dancey music. It ended up being Tiga's DJ kicks. That kind of made me realize, like, oh, I can make music without vocals, and it can still be really cool. How do I create an album, a story, a narrative that can appeal to your body? I don't mean this as dancing. I mean it like how it hits your body. For me, it's different. Dancing is kind of like an extenuation of that. So how can it do that? And it can provide also an idea, a concept, a story. The two different things. The earth is this physical thing, and then the sky is this kind of more conceptual. That's kind of like what I was, you know, maybe naively trying to accomplish.
You used to check the weather, gotta you stop that. You used to look at time, now you stop that. You used to wear red, now you wear white. What happens all the time, it happens all the time. Replace the word space with a drink and forget it. Space is only noise that you can see. Grab a calculator and fix yourself. Grab a calculator and fix yourself. Read the news, baby, read the news. Watch your clock, baby, watch your clock. Watch the weather, baby, on TV. It's all together view.
What we do is just take this album and, you know, kill it. Absolutely just exploding that structure and then bring it back to life in another form. I also think it's interesting to, instead of exploding the structure itself, exploding kind of the ideas inside these songs. You start with the first lick,
Yeah.
and that's when you start with the drums as well, all right? But that's no drop yet. And then when we drop, you start with like a more kind of aggressive version of that, and both of you come in, right?
Space is all the noise that you can see.
in your work. Is it related a little bit to the fact that you were growing up away from New York, that you were a little unrooted?
Yeah, for sure. I think I'm unrooted here. I'm unrooted in Chile. I'm unrooted in France, since I'm like, as you know, a little French. So I'm just unrooted in general, and I think that's where trying to find some form of origin through music. I think that's maybe something, but I'm not the one to say that. I don't know. I just make it, you know. But maybe that's the underlying kind of melancholy there. Maybe.